Hello guys, welcome to Computer Savage tutorial. This is our first C program. Here is the Dev C++ compiler. To install, click the link on the description. Click File, New, and a source file. Here we are going to type. First we have to include things we want to use. stdio.h extension is for the file. stdio is for standard input and output. If you want to do any input or output program, we must include this stdio.h header file. Here is the main constituent of our program. This is the main function. Function is nothing but a piece of code. This is the main function. Whenever the program starts execution, it starts from the main function and it only executes the main function. And this is our first C program. Yeah, what we have done is we are just going to print this line. Yeah, I wrote my first C program. This string in the double quotes is going to be printed on the output screen. Let's go on, compile this, execute, compile and run. We have to save it before using it. Save expected. In C program we must end every instruction with semicolon delimiter. It is not for functions and header files and loops. We don't know what are loops, functions. We have to deal with it later. First you have to understand this piece of code. This is header file. Header file is which already contains some features or constructs. We are just going to using it. From stdio.h we are using this printf function. In the printf function, whatever we are giving inside the double quotes will be printed on the output screen. We are just giving this. Let's see what happens. Execute, compile and run. Yes, it has compiled successfully. There are no errors, there are no warnings, and here is the output screen. What we have given within the double quotes is printed exactly on the screen. Process exited after 0.09301 seconds with return value 0. Nothing else. We have just printed this line. To print, that is to produce output, we must use this function, that is printf. To use printf function, we must include the standard input output header file. For this printf function to execute, we must include it in the main function. If you put it on the outside, there is no use of it. It won't execute. The constituents of main function will only be executed at runtime. That's all about our first C program. Thank you for watching.